Good morning, guys. It is very early this morning, so we're off to the show and shine, but I am helping with the show and shine this morning, and so that means I have to get there very, very early. They've asked me to help them out with directing cars and organising and setting up, so I have to get there at 6 a.m, and I wonder what the neighbours are going to think. I'm about to start this car up and go into town at 6 a.m. along the outback roads here. The kangaroos are going to be thick, so it's going to be a slow drive in, just waiting for a kangaroo to jump out in front of me. But yeah, it should be a good day. I'll go down and check out all the cars, and I've been spend all of yesterday polishing this car, so it should be clean enough for a show and shine. Half of all the cars are in. All the ones down there, we got to get more up here. We've filled up most of the mall. Been busy. I haven't been able to talk on the camera because I've been too busy watching cars. We got all the cars in. It's done. I feel relieved. It's I don't know, a bit scary watching these cars getting like this close to windows. But it meant you have to drive it forward. How did that go for you? Did you handle the power?
That one didn't have much. Even though it's probably should have.
Alright, I found Dad. He can walk around and explain to me the cars, because I only really know the Fords.
Alright, well it's Ford Landau.
Yeah, I think this was here last year, I think I remember. It's a luxury coupe, is it? It definitely looks very luxury with the seats in it.
They make a lot of most luxurious, most expensive car you can buy back in the day.
Yeah.
And the first and only factory four-door car.
Okay. The gentleman over here saying one of the most luxurious and expensive cars back in the day. Is this yours?
75 Landau coupe.
Yep.
It's been up here in Mildura most of its life. I've done a resto over the last 7 years,
Okay.
I suppose.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's time to move on to something else.
Okay, what are you thinking about moving on to?
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not sure.
It's a beautiful car.
It is.
I wouldn't want to get rid of it.
No, and
And you? Oh wow, look at that. Shirts and all.
so, yeah.
Yeah.
You got the original wheels or not?
I have got original wheels
And
at
caps
home.
and all that?
Yes. I got the two different sorts. I've got the turbines and the doggies.
Oh yeah.
Caps. So I've got everything at home to bring it back to original.
Okay.
Even right down to the gasket, manifolds and exhaust and the whole deal.
Right. Is it the original motor?
Yes.
Okay, so that
Everything's matching number.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
And
you
I'd
very
say if anyone's interested, contact the Mildura Muscle Car Club.
Yes.
Yes? Yep.
Yes.
Oh yeah. What are you asking for it?
I've got 110.
Okay.
And is that negotiable?
That is negotiable.
This little car's got a V8 in it. What is it, an MG? Oh wow. Tight little package.
It's got the aluminium V8.
Aluminium.
Yeah, it's like
probably very similar to a Rover
Okay.
or a P76 on the V8.
So these would have come out with a little V8 in it.
I don't think so. But, you know,
It's got badges and that on it. Yeah.
I don't think they come out with a V8, but I could be totally wrong.
Could be totally wrong.
Yeah.
This is a car that you probably don't have much knowledge on, do you?
No, not a lot. I know the motor, but it's about it.
Well, what's the motor usually in?
A Rover or a P76.
Okay. It says MG on the
Yeah, possibly, yes, there.
on the rocker cover, I guess.
Well, it's got MG on there, it more likely is an MG motor, but aluminium heads are possibly all aluminium motor. Interesting.
They did come out with this engine.
That doesn't look legit here, though. That looks very squashed in. So, yeah, anyway, we can look it up.
Look it up. Already asking for the comments section, did these MGs come out with a V8 in them? Because it looks very legit. Dad thinks the motor's out of a Rover.
Rover or P76.
A P76 or something.
But they could have come out with a V8 because,
Yeah, really nice little white ute. Got Mazdas. A quick little Mazda. There we are. I got one on my team. All you guys are commenting saying that should never put those aftermarket headlights on the car. There's another XW with the same headlights on it. It's because they work. The little T-lights that the cars come with. Get rid of them. So that's a huge car. I can't even get... Oh, I can just get it in the whole image. This was here last time.
cars along there. Sand.
What's next? Look at this fair lane. I think this has got the manual in it. Nice little blue ute there. 5.8 would be the 351. No.
The way I'd have one of these is if I pulled the V12 out and put a 350 Chev in it.
Yeah. Looks a lot neater. Supercharged. Probably go faster than the other one. What else is this little blue one? Both do. And they look nice parked next to each other, don't they? Check out the shiny roof.
It's an American,
There we go.
American Fairlane.
American Fairlane. Yeah, it's very similar to what's in that XR8 of mine. So,
A little radiator.
we'll have airbags
Paintwork
in
on the
it.
top.
Yeah.
Right next door, that's got a nice paint job.
Yeah, it does look good. Yeah, lovely.
Look at the hood ornament, that looks good.
Molly. Hello, Molly. Ever work on any?
Yeah, plenty.
Down. Yeah. Looks like it must suck the air in or something. No, that's for the heater. Well, how do we... No, it's a very small radiator. It's not very deep down. It's a good looking ute here. Yeah. What do you reckon of that? And we're back. Show and Shine is done.
For another year.
Another year, you reckon I should go back next year?
I know you will.
It was alright. It was good. Happy to lend a hand. That was good fun. Be something different. Haven't really been involved in car shows before.
No? I have.
You have a lot, yeah. But that was good. Yeah. And I think everyone liked the ute. I think it was a good attraction because of the colour. It's the colour that catches everyone's eye. But we saw some very, very awesome cars down there, and I'm very thankful for the club down there letting me to come down and show off my car.
Yeah.
You've gotten a write-up in the Mildura 100 magazine.
I'm not sure. I haven't even seen it yet.
Oh, well, you've been told that you're in there.
Well, I've been told that there's some sort of a write-up, but whether they did it or not, I don't know.
You're the longest standing duty boat helper.
Yeah,
You've done it for, what, you reckon, 25 years?
Yeah, about 25. Yeah.
So every year, Dad has done it for the last 25 years.
Yeah.
We are in our spot, duty boat 4. I got the boat in. Got our spot. Got some neighbours, they're still asleep. But all setting up. I'll bang the sign in, I reckon. Come with?
Yeah. Flags. I'll need all the flags.
Right, out for a sweep. There we are, I got footage of Dad in his boat now, finally.
Be good for a magazine, isn't it?
Happening, I think 5 minutes to start. We're on time, well, just. a bit usually unusual.
Yeah, look.
We've got work to do. The dead boat we're going to go. Hooked up the first boat. We'll have to tow back to pretty much the whole stretch of the river.
Yeah, it's
It'll be a slow little ride back. Yeah, I dropped off the boat. Done. Another duty boat day done.
Yeah, day's done.
Day's done. We're buggered.
It's just because it was quite a warm day for
Oh, it's hot.
yeah,
We're in the sun all day.
34, 35 degrees. So there you go. I was trying to chase the shade all day.
Yep.
So it was a warm one.
And there's a bit of action.
Yeah. There was one boat being we had to tow from one end of our duty boat a section back to our where we did the duty boat from, and more, because we had to take it back to the boat ramp at Bruce's Bend.
Yep.
So it was a big tow.
We got him back there, and he's very appreciative.
Yeah.
And says he owes you a beer.
He said he'd buy me a beer, but he didn't tell me where, so I don't know which pub to go to.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, okay. He would buy you a beer, but
Yeah.
you're too hard to buy a beer because he doesn't know where you are.